Welcome to the Move Over Limit Vehicles Efficiently Maine system, also known as MoveMe, user tutorial videos. This video will guide users through the steps for setting up an account to order permits using MoveMeMaine.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the MoveMe user tutorial videos link. To create a new account, click the Create a New Account link on the login page. The Create New Company Account screen will be displayed. The screen will ask if you have a valid US DOT number. Choose the option that best describes your situation and follow the on-screen prompts. For this tutorial, we will select I have a DOT number from the drop-down list. MoveMe will display a field asking the user to enter a valid US DOT number. Once the US DOT number has been entered, click the Validate Numbers button to check against US DOT data. If the numbers match, a confirmation message will be displayed. If the numbers do not validate, double-check the numbers for accuracy. If the system notifies you that the account already exists, call the permit office for further instruction. Click OK to close the confirmation message, verify the information, and click the Create Account button to proceed. On the next page, MoveMe will automatically populate the information associated to the US DOT number entered. Any field with an asterisk will need to be completed before clicking Submit. Click the Same as Physical link next to the Mailing Address heading to populate the fields if the company's mailing address is the same as the physical address. If the physical address and mailing address are different, complete the mailing address fields. Make sure to select the primary delivery method from the drop-down list to specify the way you would like issued permits delivered. The options available are fax, web, or email. This can be changed on a permit-by-permit basis as needed. Please note that you can also print any active permits directly from the dashboard. Enter your first and last name, a username, and a password. Please make note of the password requirements, which can be viewed by clicking the Password Requirements link. The password must be at least 8 characters in length, must have at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter, and must have at least one number. Once all required fields are complete, click the Submit button to continue. The Create New Company Account Users screen will be displayed. New users can be added, or existing users can be edited from this screen. The original user who set up the account will already be listed in the Users drop-down list. Click the Edit button to edit the user and add an email address, phone number, prompt question, and response. All users should enter an email address, prompt question, and response in order to reset a forgotten password. This saves time, allowing users to bypass calling the permit office for a password reset. When editing an existing user or adding a new user, select the user type. The two levels are supervisor or user. The supervisor level can edit company information and other users. A user level can only issue permits. The user who created the account will be defaulted to a supervisor. All company accounts must have at least one supervisor user. Unless the user will have a very specific known start and end date, leave these fields blank. Otherwise, set the start and end date if the account will expire at some point. Click the Update button to save the information. After all users have been edited or added, click the Next Page button to advance to the Create New Company Account Vehicles screen. In MoveMe, there are 4 ways to add vehicles. Vehicles can be added individually while creating your new account. Vehicles can be added during permits as they are ordered. Or, if adding several vehicles at the same time, users can upload a spreadsheet using the Vehicle Upload link on the company dashboard, which is demonstrated in another video located on the login page. Vehicles can also be added individually in company data. To add a new vehicle while creating a new account, click the New button. The vehicle information screen will be displayed. Enter the unit number, make, year, VIN, plate, the state in which the vehicle is registered, and the registered GVW. Once the information has been entered, click the Insert button to save the new vehicle. Clicking the Insert button will add the vehicle to the Vehicle drop-down list where you can edit an existing vehicle or click the New button to add another vehicle. Go to the Login page by clicking the Go to Login Now button, or set up a billing account by clicking the Set Up Billing Account button, which will take you to the Attest to Create New Billing Account screen. On the login page, enter the username and password created while setting up the account. Click the Remember Me on this computer checkbox in order for the system to remember your username for future use. Click the Submit button to go to the company dashboard. The dashboard is the primary screen for all MoveMe transactions. Welcome to MoveMe. This concludes the MoveMe user tutorial video on how to create a new company account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.